India, my emotions, sense of belonging. Fine Arts Society, my feeling, celebration and saris. Thank you.
No substitute for fine arts.
The nation, strength and diversity. The Fine Arts Society, unwavering artistic tradition.
India has a rich cultural heritage. Chembur Fine Arts Society is a fine destination for all music lovers.
I love my India at all times in my life. Fine Arts is a beautiful organization catering to a lot of people in Chembur.
India to me is vibrant, diverse, and enchanting. And fine arts to me is cultural, nurturing, and excellence.
भारत माता माझी आई आहे आणि फाईन आर्ट्स म्हणजे गुरुदेव.
भारत माझी मायभूमी आहे. फाईन आर्ट माझं सर्वस्व आहे.
My emotions on India, heaven on earth. And my feelings for Fine Arts Society, best cultural platform.
तारी जमीन पर our India. Nallador Kudumbam, Fine Arts Society.
India, God's own country. Fine Arts Society Chembur. Culture plus tradition.
Emotion for India, unity in diversity. Emotion for my Fine Arts Society, protecting arts and tradition.
India, सारे जहां से अच्छा. Fine Arts, यमक किरीट वरम.
मम अतुल्य देशम श्रेष्ठ कलास्तर.
Bharatam, in Muchi, in Swasam, Fine Arts Society, in Thai Madi.
India, freedom, sukoon, fun, fine arts, my life, my extended family, and joy.
Bharat Shrestha Desh. Fine arts catalyst.
Love, birthplace, then cultural connecting home.
Land of multicultural and a place which connects the culture.
India, pride. Fine Arts Society, a second home.
India is Jackass. Fine Arts Society promotes our culture.
Being a proud Indian and being associated with the Fine Arts as a like member.
And about India, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हमारा about Chembur Fine Arts always brings the best artists and to promote our culture.
Proud and blessed to be an Indian. Fine Arts Cultural Ambassador.
Proud to be an Indian. Follow traditional Carnatic music.
India, the emotion is culture. Fine Arts, the emotion is reflection of the culture.
Feeling proud to be an Indian with its culture. FAS Chembur is doing a great job to promote arts and culture.
It's my India. And about the Chembur Fine Arts, it's my society.
India is above all. India is a very strong nation which is going to emerge as the number one economic country in the world very shortly. Fine Arts Society is the first institution for me to give a platform in Bombay to promote myself as a social activist. India is a great country. We love to stay in this country. Fine Arts is a great institution. We like to associate.
India is my emotion as such, it is my life. I'm proud to be an Indian. And Fine Arts, of course. It is a cultural hub where we meet for maintaining our arts and culture.
Emotion, always with Fine Arts.
India, my love is India, my soul is fine arts.
And I love India. Why do I like fine arts? Because there's music or dance.
India emotion is India is Kudumba, Parampara and Manyata in 3 words. And if I have to talk about feeling of fine arts, it is joy, it is cultural bonding, and it is warmth.
India is my country and I am proud of to be a citizen. Fine arts gives us all the pleasure of getting all the opportunities for all the programs.
About India, I am proud and cautiously optimistic about fine arts. It is a cultural heritage institution.
When I think about India, it's a stronger India. Mera Bharat Mahan, Jai Hind. And about fine arts, it's there in the name, cultural renaissance.
India, civilizational greatness, leadership. Fine arts, preserving traditions, culture.
India, my mother country. Fine arts, great service to music.
Fine arts is all about royal of interest in classical music.
None equal to India. Fine arts, faith and homely.
Ma tujhe salam. India is my country and I have unadulterated love. That's my emotion towards India. About fine arts, it reminds me of my mother and her music, so I love fine arts.
Oneness feeling about India and about fine arts, spreading in our South Indian culture.
I'm proud to be an Indian and very happy to be part of Chembur Fine Arts.
India, most diversified culture. Fine arts society, most democratic sabha.
India is one of the greatest countries emerging as greatest nation. Fine arts, they provide wholesome entertainment for all age groups.
Jaiti Jaiti Bharata Mata. I'm proud to be an Indian.
Fine arts is a great team. We love all programs.
This organization has been helping young and established artists by providing them with a platform.
I'm proud to be an Indian. And very good programs here.
When I think of India, I only think of Desh Prem, Desh Bhakti and Adar Bhav. And about fine arts, Chembur's cultural epicenter.
I am really proud to be an Indian. In the fine arts, I have seen the growth of fine arts since my school days.
Vande Mataram. This Fine Arts Society is doing a wonderful job in promoting art culture amongst the people.
India is a great country and I'm proud to be an Indian. I learned Carnatic music at Fine Art and I'm proud to be a student. Jai Hind.
I'm proud to be an Indian.
For me, Vande Mataram.
I am proud to be an Indian. I am also proud about the Fine Arts Society of promoting the arts and culture, and they are doing fine.
This is a very memorable day. Jai Bharat.
Proud to be an Indian, and I am very proud of fine arts for conducting various cultural programs like arts, dance, and dramas.
I am proud to be an Indian. I enjoy the freedom every moment and I have a lot of hopes towards India's future. Towards fine arts, I always admire their artistic devotion.
I'm Shrikripa. India in 3 words would be a blessing and a devasya, and I think something that never stops growing. A word for that. For fine arts, 3 words would be a blessing again, and Gurukul and opportunity.
Our country, India, is simply a divine and spiritual nation. The Fine Arts Society has been doing human service in promoting our divine art and culture.
India, வேதம் வழிநடத்தும் பாரதம். ஃபைன் ஆர்ட் சொசைட்டி என்னை எனக்கு உணர்த்தி உயர்த்திய கலைக்கோயில்.
What India means to me in 3 words is Bharatvarsha, Bharatagande, Divyadesh. And what fine arts means to me is custodian Satam.
I can't think of any other place as beautiful, as wonderful as my country. With so much of arts, culture, tradition, everything imbibed in it. Fine arts as a society is that embodiment of culture and arts which is still keeping our tradition alive. So happy to be a part of fine arts and happy to be a part of India. Jai Hind.